Good morning, Tinkercad friends. I've got a fun lesson for you today in Tinkercad. I call it Fast Flower. I've done it with the cylinder before, but like any project, I like to think my projects through a lot and see if I can come up with ways to make them better for you. So today we're going to use a tube. I'm going to pick a cool flower color. I'm going to stretch it so that it's a ellipse. And then I'm going to shrink it down to 2 millimeters or 3 millimeters. I'll let you pick that. And then this is the skill that we want to store away. If you do Control D to duplicate, or hit the duplicate button, and then you rotate it a little bit, and then without touching any other keys, use the arrow keys to move it so that the edge, that left edge, is the same. Now if you hit duplicate again and again, notice we haven't touched anything else. It memorizes those steps and lets you make an amazing flower in no time. The only problem with this flower is it's totally flat and has no texture, but check out this solution. So let's make one that's even more epic and has some three-dimensional adjustment to it. Make your petal again. I'm going to make it 4 millimeters thick. I'm going to make it a cool purple, and then I'm going to subtract a sphere from it. So to subtract the sphere, I need to make it a hole, and then I need to make it larger than the shape. I'm not measuring, I'm just making sure that it's quite big. Then I'm grabbing both. I'm choosing a line, and I want it to be centered in both directions. And that is going to cut out some of my shape. And then I'm going to group it and see what it looks like. So just draw a box that selects both, hit group, and let's see what you got. Now see, that's got some nice sloped texture. I'm going to squeeze it so it's a little skinnier, just because I can, once you've got that shape. And then I'm going to do my duplicate, I'm going to do my rotate. I'm going to use my arrow keys to move it where I want. And now I'm going to just tap Control D again and again and again, and my amazing flower has been built. Note the difference in the cool shapes. I'm going to switch this to a purple. So I've got a purple flower, and see how much more texture this one has compared to that one because of the part we cut out. As a challenge, can you figure out the tricks I use to make my nifty little flower pots and put the flowers standing upright? These are partially printable. The flower part will give you a hard time when it gets out to these edges because it's not sloped, but you'll note I did slope the leaves, so there's a chance that'll print successfully. So thanks for watching. I hope you had fun. See what kind of cool flowers you can make, and if you have any questions or comments, please add them in the YouTube video.